What if I told you that the most dangerous moment in a superstar's life is not the day they face a career-ending injury or a box office flop, but is actually the day they finally achieve everything they ever dreamed of and realize they have absolutely no idea who they are without the spotlight? While we often imagine that retired icons spend their days relaxing on private islands, the shocking reality of 2026 is that the world's most successful athletes and actors are actually working harder than ever to dismantle their old identities and rebuild themselves as high-powered CEOs and venture capitalists. If you want to understand how a person can move from the adrenaline of a stadium to the calculated risks of a boardroom and want to see the strategic blueprint for redefining success after the cheering stops, you must explore the hidden mechanics of the post-career pivot. Here are exactly 10 essential facts and insights regarding how iconic figures are redefining their legacies through massive professional transitions. First, the athlete-to-entrepreneur pipeline has been perfected by icons like Shaquille O'Neal, who has famously diversified his wealth into a massive portfolio of over 100 car washes, 40 gyms, and hundreds of fast food franchises to ensure his family's financial security forever. Second, the maximum effort strategy pioneered by Ryan Reynolds proves that a modern movie star can be more profitable as a marketing mastermind than as an actor, as seen in his billion-dollar exits from Aviation Gin and Mint Mobile, which were driven by his personal brand of humor. Third, Serena Williams has transformed her competitive Grand Slam mindset into a powerful venture capital firm called Serena Ventures, which has already invested in over 85 diverse companies and achieved 14 unicorn status successes by prioritizing underrepresented founders. Fourth, the strategic resilience of Robert Downey Jr. shows that hitting rock bottom can actually be a competitive advantage, as he used his personal recovery journey to launch the Footprint Coalition, a venture fund dedicated to using advanced technology to clean up the planet. Fifth, intellectual humility is the secret weapon of the most successful pivots, where stars like Arnold Schwarzenegger successfully moved from bodybuilding to acting and then to the governor's office by admitting what they didn't know and surrounding themselves with the smartest experts in the world. Sixth, the rise of creator-owned brands means that celebrities like Beyonce and Rihanna are no longer just the face of a product, but are actually the majority owners of empires like Ivy Park and Fenty Beauty, which allow them to control their own creative and financial destiny. Seventh, narrative continuity is a vital psychological tool used by legends like Michael Jordan, who took the grit and determination of the basketball court and applied it to the Jordan brand, creating a cultural icon that generates billions of dollars in revenue every single year. Eighth, the aha moment for many stars occurs when they realize that fame is a depreciating asset that will eventually fade, while equity is a growing asset that provides long-term power and the ability to influence global issues like climate change or social justice. Ninth, modern sports icons like LeBron James are using vertical integration by owning their own production companies and media networks, effectively cutting out the middlemen and allowing them to keep 100% of the value created by their own life stories. 10th, the final and most profound truth is that a successful pivot requires the death of the ego, as the individual must be willing to become a beginner once again and work their way up in a new industry where their past trophies and awards no longer guarantee a win. Now that you have seen how the world's greatest performers are re-engineering their lives for a new kind of power, which one of these 10 facts about post-career success do you find the most motivating for your own professional journey? While all of these stories are incredible examples of human potential, the best choice for anyone seeking a total life transformation is number 10, embracing the death of the ego to become a beginner again. This is the best choice because once you are no longer a prisoner of your past achievements, you gain the absolute freedom to explore new industries and take the bold risks necessary to find a deeper and more meaningful version of success that the spotlight can never provide. If you are ready to stop being defined by what you used to do and want to start mastering the incredible power of your own professional evolution, make sure to hit the subscribe button right now so you never miss another deep dive into the truth.